budget-friendly minimalist wireless mic system for content creator. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dant. Today in this video I'm going to unbox, review and show you how to use the Lark M2 which I just got, and we're going to take a look at it if this is the smallest budget-friendly wireless mic system for any type of content creators. This is Lark M2 box looks like, and you can see that it has a very simple and nice packaging. They didn't put too much stuff on the box, which I like. And the version we're looking at is the USB-C version. There are other versions for iPhone and for cameras, but this is the version for Android phones and newer models of iPhones. So once you open, let's see what we have inside. So they attached a very nice bag or pouch, and you can see that this is very high quality. I like the way it feels and looks. You can tell right away that this is no cheap. And even when you look in the bag, it has another compartment which is a very nice touch. So you can put smaller items in that compartment, and it comes with also wind muffs, which we have two pieces, and then there are two attachment clips which you can use to attach it to your cap or say t-shirt and anything else. And that's where you put the magnet, which I'm going to show you in a second. And they included a USB-C cable, which is also good. And these are the lanyard, which you can hang it on your shoulder or anywhere else to, if you do not want to clip it to your t-shirt or cap or anything like that. And that's where the magnet is going to sit and hold the mic. And it looks like actually good quality, so it doesn't look bad quality at all. And then here is the actual mic or the case where the mic holds, and here they have a kind of packing list what's included, and basically you should have all these listed here. And they also included stickers if you want to cover their logo on the mic. Some of them are happy faces or funny faces, and there's black and there's white. I don't think I'm going to be using the stickers. And then they also included a warranty card or after sales card, and then there's the brochure. So basically these are all what you get with the mic. And then now let's open up the mic, and we remove the plastic. And then here, once you open the mic, then you can see that it's those are the wireless mics, which are very small, and then in the middle which is going to be attached to your phone, and that's the TX. So let's attach the magnetic clip or magnetic button to the lanyard, and you can see that how it holds. So this is how it's going to hold, and if you want to put it on the clip, then that's where you're going to put it. Just be careful with the magnetic buttons, because they are very easy to lose, and they're so small that they're you may lose it if you're not careful. So that's just be mindful of using that. And I'm not sure what is this for, but for sure I'll find out later on. Simple operation, just one yellow button. You press it to turn the noise cancellation on and to turn the noise cancellation off, and also you have to just press it for a few seconds. I think it's 3 seconds to turn it off or to turn it on. But once you take them out of the box, they should turn on automatically. But if it doesn't, then just press it for 3 seconds. Now when you take it out, the default is no noise cancellation. So, and the color is going to be blue, but when you turn on the noise cancellation, then it's going to turn into green. So let's now attach it to my phone and show you guys how it works. So when you attach it to your phone, then you can see that it's going to start the buttons flashing. So that means it's trying to pair. And then here, once it's paired, it's going to be steady blue or green depending on what mode you are on. And don't forget to change your settings on your phone to wireless microphone.
Hey guys, I'm
And
at the
then
park, so doing an audio testing, and you can see that there's very little wind, and this is Coronation Park in the downtown Toronto. So what you're hearing right now is without the mic. This is just a phone's native audio. And how does it sound? So it should not be sounding that bad because this is Pixel 8 Pro. It has very high quality mic and video. So I'm not using Lark M2 right now, and you're using the audio you're hearing is just using the phone's native audio, and I'm going to switch to Lark now. So I just connected the Lark mic, but I haven't brought this closer to my mouth yet. So this is what you're hearing from here. So let me just pick this up. And how does it sound now? Because right now the voice is coming through the Lark M2 and the noise cancellation is off, so you should be hearing some kind of ambient noise or environmental noise, and this is noise cancellation off, and you're just using the audio through mic, and then the wind seems to be picked up a little bit. You might hear some wind noise. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn on the noise cancellation, and you can see that this is what it looks like, the surrounding places. So let's just turn on, which should be press, and it should turn green. Okay, so you can see that it turned green, and I'm just going to bring it closest to my mouth and talk. So the noise cancellation is on now. You should not hear that much ambient sound or environmental noise right now. I have the noise cancellation off, and it should cut a bit of wind noise as well. Maybe not 100%. I'm not using any wind muff. So right now the the noise cancellation is on, and you can hearing through the Lark M2 mic, and there's a little wind, so you might hear the wind a little bit. But I think noise cancellation helps wind a little bit too, although not 100%. But the noise cancellation on now, and how does it sound? So that was the testing of the Lark M2, and you can see that still it has noise cancellation on.